Guinea-Bissau is a multi-party republic. Presidential elections held in November 2019 resulted in two finalists, Umaro Sissoko Embalo and Domingo Simões Pereira. Sissoko assumed the presidency in February 2020, following elections that the international community judged largely free and fair. Sissoko's inauguration caused controversy because it occurred before the Supreme Court had ruled on a legal protest filed by the opposition. On May 16, Sissoko dissolved the government and announced that national legislative elections would be held on December 18. Ruling and opposition party leaders later agreed to delay the elections, tentatively scheduled for June 2023. National police forces maintain internal security. The Judicial Police, under the Ministry of Justice, has primary responsibility for investigating drug trafficking, terrorism, and other transnational crimes. The Public Order Police, under the Ministry of Interior, is responsible for maintenance of law and order. Other police forces include the State Information Service, Intelligence, Border Police, Migration and Border Enforcement, Rapid Intervention Police, and Maritime Police. The armed forces have some internal security responsibilities and may be called upon to assist police in emergencies. Civilian authorities at times did not maintain control over the security forces. There were reports that members of the security forces committed some abuses. On February 1, armed assailants attacked the Central Government Administrative Center and took President Sissoko and some members of his cabinet hostage for several hours. 11 persons were killed during the attack, and while some alleged perpetrators were reportedly incarcerated and awaiting trial, the attackers' motive remained unknown. Significant human rights issues included credible reports of torture or cruel, inhuman or degrading treatment by the government, harsh and life-threatening prison conditions, arbitrary arrest and detention, serious problems with the independence of the judiciary, arbitrary or unlawful interference with privacy, serious restrictions on free expression and media, including violence against journalists, serious government corruption, lack of investigation of and accountability for gender-based violence, and trafficking in persons. The government had mechanisms to investigate and punish officials who committed human rights abuses or engaged in corruption, but impunity remained a problem.